Welcome back. You're watching the news. The trade war between China and the US shows no signs of abating anytime soon, with tensions reaching new heights now. Flaring up the trade tensions, the White House has announced that President Trump has signed a new executive order imposing tariffs of up to 245% on Chinese imports. This move hits China hard, with tariffs now reaching as high as 245% on the goods entering the US. But this move comes just a day after China directed its airlines to halt all new deliveries of US-made Boeing jets, further intensifying the standoff. This latest move signals that the trade war is far from over, with both the nations doubling down on their positions. With the US-China trade war heating up, India is likely to gain significantly amid the shifting global trade landscape. China's decision to halt Boeing jet purchases driven by escalating tariffs has created an opportunity for Indian carriers like the Air India Express, SpiceJet and Akasa Air. Now, these airlines might now receive aircraft deliveries ahead of schedule, including the 737 MAX and the 787 Dreamliners. But this development comes as Boeing looks to redirect nearly 100 MAX jets and 11 Dreamliners previously bound for China, both aircraft central to India's fleet expansion plans. This unexpected advantage comes at a time when India is pushing to expand its aviation sector. At a time when India is aggressively scaling up its aviation sector, this unexpected window could fast-track fleet upgrades, improve air connectivity, and help Boeing ease its production backlog as well. US-China trade war has taken a sharp turn and the aviation industry is now feeling the heat. Beijing has reportedly asked its airlines not to accept deliveries from American aircraft maker Boeing. The move has sparked concerns across global markets, and even US President Trump has claimed that China just reneged on the Boeing deal. But could this geopolitical rift open new doors for India's aviation sector? Some experts believe it just might.
As the trade war between the United States and China intensifies, Beijing has reportedly asked its airlines not to take delivery of aircraft from the American aviation giant Boeing. US President Donald Trump appeared to confirm the reports in a post on Truth Social on Tuesday, where he said that China has just reneged on the big Boeing deal. Could this benefit India? Some aviation experts believe it might.
There is a big opportunity for India, and the faster we swing in, we can convert this challenge into an opportunity. Our aerospace industries will definitely benefit. That's the biggest sector that is going to benefit. And I think we need to act quickly and fast, because India is the only market after China which has placed orders of about 1,000 aircrafts, both with Boeing and Airbus. But America is going to lose as far as the aircraft supplies are concerned, because they have an alternative supplier in Airbus. So if they have cancelled their Boeing orders, they might shift to Airbus. But still, I think it's a very fluid situation, and we'll have to wait and watch.
Others agree that there is an opportunity here, but given the frequent tariff changes by Trump administration, they advise a wait-and-watch approach.
Continue to discuss with the manufacturers and see how best we can improve our own situation. We don't know what the situation is, how many aircraft will be delivered to China and what will happen to those aircraft. I think sometime at least there will be a wait and watch on the part of the manufacturer, and there won't be any immediate impact of these tariffs. And you don't even know, with the way things are going, how long the tariffs are going to stay, because there seems to be some amount of rethinking and flip-flops which are happening. But to the extent that we can take advantage of what has happened, of course we will do.
Experts say the supply reshuffle could also benefit Air India Express and Akasa, both of which have placed orders for Boeing aircraft and are awaiting deliveries.